Let's start our stream. So yeah, basically wanna check the stream is running. Everything good. Okay. So yeah, last time we created this project to implement some tutorial, and I'm thinking that this time I don't want to create new one. So maybe let's add some navigation for new tutorials. And I wanna try expo router. I heard many excitement about it, so let's just go to the expo documentation and see what we have here. Quick start. Okay, it's a template. It's manual installation. And we need to do all those libraries install. So let's do this. Setup entry point. Okay. Package JSON main. This is done. Modify project configuration. Add deep linking scheme in the app config. Okay. I'm not sure I need this, but anyway, app.json scheme is not there, so I don't know, let's put it somewhere to the end. Maybe React Native YouTube tutorials. Super long scheme, but who care? Babel config. We need to add plugins to the Babel config. Okay, we don't have any plugins, so let's just copy and paste it. Expo requires at least Metro 076, so I don't know, I just put it to my package JSON We'll see how it will work. And next step, create pages with Expo router. So when a file is created in the app directory, it automatically becomes a router in the app. For example, the following files will create the following routes. Alright. Yeah, let's try something simple like this. Home page and Expo start. Something is running. Let me quickly check. Another project. And yeah, let's try Expo start again. And I open Iris simulator. Okay, it works. We have the home page. Now dynamic routes. Dynamic routes match any at match path at the given segment level. Interesting. So I can add something like this. Of course, we need to import view and also add import of link. And pixel, how it was called? Pixelated image. Okay. Nope. Oh my gosh. So about I need create the file selected tsx selected image and now we're load and here we are, we have our screen. It maybe would be nice to have some header. Autocomplete. Maybe let's take a look. Layout routes. So the home layout is the slot. We can have header. Okay, we can try build a stack layout. For this we can create layout tier 6. And here we can copy this. Oh, you see, and now we have a header and we can navigate. Just add some padding. Okay, this is interesting. Groups. Okay, we can have screen options. I think groups needed, so we want different layout here and here. So we can group it in this case. I don't know, let's try. Okay, up is crashed. Just curious, will it work? Pixelated image. Yeah, it still works. So, screen options. Header show false. Sorry guys, I need to fix my display. Okay, we are good again. Sorry about that. But yeah, we are trying to configure stack navigator in the exp router. And I see I can do stack screen and do individual option. So let's try this. Yeah, we need import stack. Oh, I don't really need. Okay, we don't need this. Alright, it's something already. So basically I won't hide the header. So header shown false. Yeah, no header there. And I want think I don't need this file. Yeah, changes to the navigator to the export router keep crashing the app. Which isn't a great signal. Yeah, but just for learning purpose, it's fine. We can use it. So, and again, I want to add some config there. So, and let's see. Restart the app. I would like to have swipe navigation. Interesting. How can I do this? Actually, what I need to take a look. React navigation stack navigator options title, etc, etc. Gesture enable it. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think we need to move this piece also to the index. Oops. Router redirect instead. Okay, maybe we will figure out it later. It's not what I'm interested in. I'm just curious. What is it? Just okay, swap working like this. But don't work if gesture detector is added. Okay, I think this is good enough for now. Let's add SRC and yeah, today I want to watch this tutorial, React Native Skia tutorial, creating wave circular progress.
So we are going to start with a fresh project. Right now I have installed some of the packages which we are going to need,
Um,
which is React Native Skia and Deep. And now let's create a new file with the name wave.js. Inside this file I will create a new component named wave
yeah,
which we are going to use.
so let's name the component wave circular progress. Yeah, and start with just DOM component, which simply return text. So yeah, something like this, and progress. And okay, we need also the link. And we actually have a link. Circular progress. Oh, yeah, it's there. Okay, it works. It's actually interesting that it ignores safe area view. I don't know if we need it actually. So yeah, let's start with the tutorial.
To define the wave animation in the React Native Skia. So let's import wave, and inside wave let's import the canvas. After importing,
Okay, we are starting. I don't know, let's do style here and just put the canvas in the center.
importing canvas, I will define the size of the canvas. So size is equal to 256, and now let's define the style. Width is equal to size, height is equal to size, and inside the canvas.
Okay, I think I want to move it here. Yeah, let's do it.
Yes, I will add a new circle.
So style will be width size and height size. Radius will be sized half of the size, and circle
For the R, we will create the outer circle radius. And it will be R minus padding by 2.
Okay, what is scalar circle? Circle. I suppose it's center. No. Yeah, it makes sense. Half of the size. So how this is it actually radius? Okay, we have some circle.
And padding is going to be size by 25.
Okay, we will have size divided 25 and outer circle radius will be radius minus padding.
Padding by 2. And padding is going to be, and I will reload this. Now we will see a circle with this radius. And why I named outer circle radius, because there will be two circles, one will be the outer and second will be the inner. So for the outer circle we will just define the style as a stroke, so we can see it as a border width or border of the inner circle. So let's define that. Style is equal to stroke width is going to be padding.
Yeah, I missed it, divided by 2 and style stroke. Okay, and stroke width. All right.
And color will be so if
So color is something we want to be prop, optional, string, and okay.
So if we do this, then we will see our outer circle is ready with border width of 10 because we have defined or we have divided the size by 25. So when the size increases, the border width will increase because we have added this formula. And now let's create the inner circle. So for creating inner circle, I will create a rounded rectangle. So it will be r rect inside this rect, heading, heading, and let's define the inner circle size. Inner circle size. It is going to be size minus padding into 2. So inner circle size, and now r and r. We are going to use this soon.
Okay. Inner circle size. Okay, I'm not sure yet what this calculation about. We take 256 and remove 2 pi. So this is width from here to here. Okay. Inner circle width the size minus padding multiplied by 2. Yeah, this is good, I think.
R and r. We are going to use this soon.
Okay, rounded rectangle. Rounded. Let's take a look if there are some docks. No. React Native Skia. The website. Rounded rect. Is it? No. Or it actually is rounded rectangle. Yeah, I think it's rounded rectangle. So it takes rect. Rect. All right.
Soon. So first create a group, and inside this group let's create a rect, and I will show you how we are going to clip it with the group. So x is equal to 0, y again 0, width, size, height, size.
Okay. And yeah, let's take a look.
If we just do this, even we remove the group, then you will see we will have a rectangle with black color, and it is overriding the circle. And when we add the group and we add the clip to it with rounded rectangle, then you will see this will be inside.
Okay, so we're doing clip on the group. Okay, fine.
Inside our circle, and our circle is fully complete now. Now we just need to animate the waves inside the circle, and we are good to go with this wave progress. So now let's create the progress and the animated path for this. Let's define some constants. So frequency, frequency is going to be
Yeah,
4.
just check my
Now
chat.
it is going to be 15.
Frequency and amplitude. Okay. Frequency is 4. Amplitude 15. Think to compile it. I don't know how to write these words.
Offset. Vertical offset is basically at what point we are animating the wave. Like let's say if it is 50%, then we will animate it here. If it is 100%, it will be here, and if it is 20, it will be here. So vertical offset for now we will use it as 100. Also make sure
Use volume. Yeah, just let's quickly check use volume. Use volume effect. Hook allow you to execute change on volume change The example below, we execute a callback on every frame, every time the clock value change. So the clock, use value effect, interpolate. Okay, so it's clock going from 0 to 4000 and X will change from 0 to 4 to 200, and I don't know, it's probably 1 millisecond, so 4 seconds here represented. Okay, let's
To make sure this is
continue.
offset, this is not the percentage, so we will add the formula to calculate the vertical offset from the percentage. Right now we are just defining it 100, so 256 minus 100, it will be somewhere around here. And now let's create a function called create animated path. It will get an argument name face, so this is going to define the waves inside this path. So const
Okay, create animated path. Create animated path, and we take face
d3 points. I will create an array from length is equal to size. So we are creating an array or d3 points of array of d3 points. So this will define different position of the line inside this.
So we create in 256 elements of array with 256 elements. Okay, the 3 points array from
Zero to 256, and then map I. Now first create the angle at what point we want, at this position or this position. So const angle is equal to I by size into math dot pi into frequency plus phase.
sorry, I will do map so dash means we don't interested in the array element itself, just take the index and we do calculate the angle. As I understand, it's not really angle, just position of the dot. So mass pi frequency plus phase. Okay.
And now we will return the array at what index we want, at what position we will be this point. At 0 index, let's say the point will be here. At 20 index, this will be here. So this can create a wave in the path. So I now math dot sine angle into amplitude by 2 plus vertical offset dot current. So now our angle and the 3 points are ready, and now let's create a curve line from this.
So we return tuple of index and mass sinus of angle amplitude plus vertical offset current.
So first create a line generator. We will import the line from D3. Also we will import the curve basis to curve the line.
Okay, D3 I need to install it. Now add D3. Yeah, let's check what we line curve basis. Yeah, I think we also need types. So yarn at and yeah, we're good. These three and curve basis. Okay. Line generator. Line curve. So curve basis we imported from these three line. Okay.
And now this will be the wave path. And now we will return the path.
complaints about hello Darth Ray. Yeah. Let's fix it. Looks better. So yeah, typing is not big deal, but I would like to fix the type. So type expected number like this. Yeah, general idea to follow tutorial and then try to understand deeply what's the things are doing, because I've never used D3 library before and also not much familiar with React Native Skia.
Path in the SVG string. So first it will be wave path. Then I will also differentiate and will show you how if we remove the wave path and add the bottom part later on. So L size.
So
Is 0.
this is weird, by the way. Can I just put 0?
So I remove if I remove this part, then you will see we will only have the wave, and if I remove this part, then you will see only we have the rectangle. I will show you later on. So this function is ready. Now we will animate the path. So const animated path. We will use computed value so that every millisecond or every second we can animate the path. So we will create clock first.
Use clock value. Okay, and two arguments.
And
Oh. Yeah. And use computed value, expect to value some function.
And now we will pass clock as a dependency.
And dependency will be clock.
Now let's define it. current is equal to clock dot current divided by 200 and modulus is equal to 200. And now
so this is a bit weird as well. I feel like we might can replace it with just like this. No, we will try later.
and now this is the start point of the SVG. So start is equal to Skia dot path make from SVG string, and we will create this from create animated path. And now phase will be current. And endpoint will be Skia dot path make from SVG string create animated path and current into math dot path.
So mass pi. Okay.
So now we have start and endpoint for the path, and we will interpolate it. Start dot interpolate and 0.5.
Yeah, just pretend we're fine. We always generate. A valid SVG string because I think it return null in case we put some invalid SVG string here. So that's why type is escape, pass or null. But in our case we expect it will be pass always.
So now we have the animated path ready, and we can remove this rectangle and we can use the path from the reactive Skia. And if we name it color and add the color inside it.
Okay. Yeah, let's put it animated pass color. Let's use prop here as well. So wave 119. Interesting. TypeScript is not happy about the types, but let's see.
Then you will see we have this wave animating inside this.
So it's supposed to work, and it's actually works. Nice.
And we can change its duration or speed based on this. So if I add it 300, then it will be slow. If I make it 500, again it will be so slow. So let's make it to 250 just to add the similar speed. So now we will animate this.
So now we can actually try to do oh, it's not, yeah, sorry. I mess up in my head. This is different operation. We divide it on 200 first and then took what left under 200. And yeah, let's make it slower and see. So yeah, maybe even more slow. So we're moving from the straight line to sinus-like curve, and it slides and back to the straight line. Yeah, for some reason it's different. You can see it's, or I haven't actually tried it. You see it. I don't know what It depends what the current number gets the value held by the value object. What if we remove this one? Okay, so this one actually don't do anything. Yeah, I think this part is just redundant. Maybe in case it's bigger than 200, in this case it will be involved. Maybe for floating numbers, but you see, it works fine. I don't know, maybe on Android, something like this had some issue.
Position based on the progress, and we will use it as a component instead of just defining the constant value. So size, we will pass it from the probes, and we will also pass the progress. So let's say progress is 30 default, and we will use effect whenever the progress changes. So progress or size changes. And now vertical offset dot current, we will calculate it based on the progress. So 1 minus progress by 100 into inner circle size, and we will do this.
Yeah, also let's add this piece, I like it. So vertical, what? Okay, vertical offset.
This. So now this component is
Okay, is it? Yeah, it works.
ready, we can just pass any wave, any size into this, and this will behave exactly the same. So if I pass size 100, then it will be like this. If I pass it 200, then it will be like this. Also, just to make sure these waves look smooth, so let's make the amplitude to 10. Now the wave size will be smaller. Even if we do the 100, it will look clean.
Okay, let's also test the params and set size 300, and it's not works. Just reload. Okay, it works, but require reload.
And progress is equal to 20. So at 20% it will be like this.
So this is basically we re-implemented it, but yeah, it would be nice to understand what we actually done here. So we created as many points as the size, which kind of feels maybe a bit too much. It's probably we can achieve the same result without as many dots, but who knows. And curve generators. Curve factory for cubic basis spline generator. Yeah, I think William Keldon has some good videos about it. Maybe William. Maybe we should watch next time. Maybe playlist. Yeah, mass behind.
In mobile apps, if you see 2pi, we choose equals y divided, looking at some sort of y, and finally we know that theta equals r in the same circle. Perfectly the field of view. Size of the cube moving in a circular way.
No, it's not the video I'm looking for. Maybe. Oh, there is wave animation.
Hello React Native developers, I hope you are well. William here, recording from beautiful Zurich, Switzerland.
This one.
We worked on, so in parallel, it's a
No, just some podcast. So Yeah, I would like to watch this one next time. Anyways, we can go to D3 npm D3 documentation. Okay. Curve is not specified. Return the current curve factory which defaults curve liner. Okay, so this is basis curve. So we have some dots and it draw a curve around those dots. I think it's more or less clear. So and this is just a SVG string format. Let's maybe okay, this is what we generated. So this part is basically understandable. We generate basis curve. So what we need to understand, then we generate like start and end curve. So start different from the end, it's multiplying by pi. And this is interesting. Is it just 314 or it's not radians? Maybe we can try. Do it without animation, so we can this is the state. So this is the difference from the start and the end, and we interpolate start to end. So this is actually interesting. I think we can do just return a start, and it will produce more or less same result. It's not the same. So I think the end is generated reverse wave to the start, and so it do animate transition. From one wave to another wave. And this is fun effect. Okay, I think I get what we're doing here. This was interesting tutorial. There is few more, like the William video, then we have don't remember how, then React Native Skia, yeah, this guy. Also have this video.
So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
So maybe we will try this one and see how he deal with waves also. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to chill with me on those tutorials or some other React Native stuff, so follow to the channel. We'll try to do more streams, but not sure yet. Thank you everyone, see you.